Hey, how's it going, guys? Barthday Halloween here, and today what I'm going to be unboxing is the 2009 Gemmy animated Cloaked Reaper. Now, this animatronic was sold at Lowe's all the way back in 2009, and ever since I saw this on display in a Halloween store video, I've just wanted it ever since, and I got this guy for my birthday yesterday. And I'm going to go ahead and start with the unboxing process. And so yeah, I'm so freaking happy to finally have this. Alright, now here's the adapter. It's taped to this part of the box here. Alright. This book here is the hip bracket. Here's the head. Which I believe I will need to be repairing, because if I'm not mistaken, the listing did say that there is a split gear in the neck movement. So yeah, I'm going to have to fix that, but that's not a problem. The hand with the lantern. Okay. Okay, we got poles here. There's 1 pole, 2 poles, 3 poles, 4 poles, and 5 poles. Let me grab it. What the heck? This is going to be interesting. Okay, come on. It's going to come out or what? Try to get this out of here. Work with me. Okay, here's his base. Here's the good old classic Gemmy logo right there. And his body. Awesome. And that is it. He's got some more newspaper in here. Wow. Awesome. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and set this up. Let's see here. The sensor mode is off. Got the try me function here. Show that for you. And try to. Hang on a sec. So yeah, there's his on-off button, or sensor and-off button. There's his adapter jack and the try me jack. I'm going to go ahead and yeah, I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and I will be right back with you. Actually, screw it, I'm going to go ahead and set it up on camera for you. Okay, let's get all this stuff out of the way here. You got the base right here, 2 poles. And I believe that is all of the setup required for the Lantern Reaper, or the Cloaked Reaper, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, that's all the setup required. Now I'll need to get the adapter. Where did I put that thing? Here it is. Okay, I'm still recording, right? Yeah, I am. Good. Alright. This adapter going. In. There he is. I will have to fix his head, but that'll come later. I love this prop. I really do. I've been wanting this ever since I was a little kid. And I want to point out here that on the base there are spots where you can actually stake it in so he won't blow away in the yard. But yeah, that's it. That's him. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I'm not gonna end the video yet. I'm just gonna. Activate him a couple times.
Follow me to the graveyard. Waiting for you.
So yeah, that is him. I think that's all his phrases. I'll try one more time. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Yeah. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I am so freaking happy to finally have this guy. Next one after this that I'm going to unbox is the Looming Phantom from Sam's Club. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, leave a like, comment, let me know what you think, if you like this prop just as much as I do. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.